Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on the old 97 TJ again, and today we're going to be changing the front track bar. I've developed some Death Wobble. Had a little bit of it for a long time now. Didn't know what it was. Thought I had a tire out of balance. Be going about 40-45 miles an hour, and my steering wheel will be just a smooth little bump back and forth. I thought somebody put some fix-a-flat in the tire and it all settled on one spot. Get to going a little faster and it would always clear up. Couldn't really understand that. Found out what the Death Wobble is. It's the first time I've had it, and what's wrong on mine, I've already checked it out. It's going to be the front track bar. So I'm going to get under here, I'm going to crank the Jeep, I'm going to show you what's moving on it. It don't take much movement to make it have the Death Wobble. Alright, I hope you was able to see that, but what I was trying to show you was this little, it's like a ball joint looking thing on the end of the track bar. It moves up and down as you turn your steering wheel slightly, and that play, that slack, that slop is what allows this thing to have Death Wobble going down the road. So anyway, I'm going to get to taking all this stuff off, and we're going to get a new track bar put on right now. Now I got to remove this cotter pin and I'll get that nut off right there. I'll come back when I get that done. Alright, all that now is popping out that ball joint. Well, looks like I may need a bigger hammer. Bigger hammer would have made that a little easier. So anyway, time to go on with the new one now. Okay, so I can't quite get this bar over enough to get these threads seated. So I'm going to bring out my trusty old ratchet strap again. On these last 2 jobs, this thing has been a lifesaver doing the body mount removal and the body lift removal, I mean, and now pulling the frame over so this right here lined up. So I'm going to get that hooked up and get that lined up and get this last castle nut put on, and then we'll take this thing for a test drive. And that's enough. That right there is enough to do it. Don't take much. I'm gonna leave that hooked up while I button that down real quick. Alright, I got the Carter key in, and now I'm fixing to tighten this bolt over here one more time. Make sure it's good and tight. Alright, let me clean up this mess. And I'll get me some grease. Put in that Zerk fitting right there. I'm going to make sure I got plenty of grease up in this ball joint. And then we'll take her down the road and see what we got. Here is my old track bar. And this right here, this ball joint's supposed to be tight. And it's sloppy loose. I just feel it bumping and knocking up in there. So that's definitely a problem, and I'm gonna go see now if it is my problem, and see if my Death Wobble is cured. It won't take me long going down the road, I'll know. Let's get in the Jeep and give her a run. Okay guys, we're in the Jeep now. We're gonna take her for a test drive. We're all greased up and we're ready to go. Death Wobble is gone. It don't have that tire out of balance feeling that I had before, and on that road we just came down the last 3 times I came down and I got the Death Wobble, and we've done past those spots. So something that has improved my driving as well. I'm fixing to go get out here on an open road, get it up to some highway speeds, and I'm going to test it there as well. Alright, this is the road I was going to get up to highway speeds on. And I don't know if you'll hear me talk or anything. I've got the soft top on, and it is a TJ, and you do get wind noise. So I'm gonna get down here, and I'm gonna get the speedometer to about 65, and I'm gonna see how she drives, because she's driving a lot better on these back roads. Let's go get at it. I'll be honest with you, the driving has went from pretty good to incredible. I didn't realize how bad the track bar needed to be replaced. This thing drives like a dream. I'm driving it with one hand, use another hand to hold the camera, and my goodness, what a difference. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I've been driving the Jeep for a couple of days now, and after driving it, I do still have the little steering wheel bobble, and upon further investigation I noticed that I did have another part under the front end that's worn out, and you can see it in the video right here. I'm going to replace that part. That's the drag link, and the ball joint is also worn out on it, so I'm going to replace the drag link and get that going, and should have everything fine. Death Wobble is totally gone. The bobble that I was feeling at about 45 miles an hour is now at 55, and then it goes away. So tightened up the front end a little bit. It changed the position where the steering was giving me a little feedback. So anyway, I'm going to get that done. That won't be in the next video. I've got another video in mind, and I'll get that video done, but the drag link video will be coming soon. And guys, I thank you for watching my videos, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. That'll help the channel a lot. I would like for the channel to grow. I enjoy doing these videos. I know I don't have the most charismatic personality of anybody, but trying to help some people out if I can. So y'all come back for the next video. Thanks again.